How to change up icon of Reddit. Today guys I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First you will just go to Reddit, and on Reddit you will go here to your profile icon. Then you will go to settings, and on settings you will go to change up icon, and then you will choose someone. For example, I can't choose this 3 because it's not free. I can choose this. For example, I will just try, I will choose and click save. Then I will click OK, and now when I open Reddit, as you see, the icon will change. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe to our channel. See you next.